Hey guys, this is Kyle for you. Today I'm going to be talking about the new Corsair keyboard that's come out here recently. This is the Corsair K70 keyboard. This is the RGB model. I'm a keyboard fanatic. I love keyboards, and to me this is definitely the best keyboard you can buy for gaming as far as I'm concerned. Now, I know there's other keyboards out there, such as the NAS and stuff like that. I've never actually gotten to try one. I have seen them. They are definitely beautiful keyboards. For me, the biggest selling point on this keyboard is the fact that it's super durable. Now, I've got a young child at home. Durability to me is what matters most. Now, the thing that I love is the fact that it's got an anodized aluminum frame and an anodized aluminum top plate. So you get no flex in the keyboard whatsoever. Now, the other great thing about it is it's got fully mechanical switches. The only switches on this whole keyboard that aren't mechanical are your multimedia keys. Now, in the last iteration of this type of keyboard, what Corsair had done is they had a different type of switch. Now the switch here, as you can see, is now clear, which allows a lot more light through. On their previous keyboards, they were quite dim unless it was very dark out. Now, along with that, a keyboard like this has made it very easy for you to take all the keys off of your keyboard, which allows for super easy cleaning. Now, this keyboard, as you saw, is equipped with Cherry MX Red switches. They're made in Germany. Fantastic switch. I really like them. To me, they're right up there with MX Blues. Also, too, on the back side of the keyboard, you've got 1, 2, 4, and 8 for your polling rates. You've also got 100% anti-ghosting. You also have a BIOS switch that works with legacy type computers, old BIOSes and stuff like that won't register with USB 3. The lighting on this keyboard is insane. Being that I'm outside right now, I can't show you what the lighting is, but I will have some pictures up. The multimedia keys, as you can see here, very nice to use. You have a forward, pause and play, reverse, a stop button, a glider for your audio up and down, and a mic button, an audio mute button. We've also got a Windows lock key, which is super handy to have. You'd hate to be playing Battlefield and all of a sudden hit that Windows key and you'd be locked out of the game. There's also 3 levels of brightness. They also have their new logo on here, which if you're a fan of it, great. I miss the old logo, that's just me. It also comes with a paracord USB cord. It's quite long, as you can see here. It also comes with 2 dongles on the end. If you're using USB 3, you actually only need one of the dongles. It's indicated on there with a keyboard. The other one is strictly for powering. You've got so many lights and so much stuff going on with this keyboard that you really need that extra power. Also, on the bottom of the keyboard, you see here, you've got feet on the bottom as well as feet on the top, so you can really get that keyboard exactly how you want it. Also, what this keyboard does have, and it's the same as what they've brought out in previous generations of this keyboard, there's also a pleather wrist rest. I didn't bring it out here with me, obviously, but you can attach it. It is one of the most easiest attachable ones that I've seen, and they actually tend to stay on there. The only differences in the last keyboard that I had was a K95. It actually had screws, so you could screw on the wrist rest so it wouldn't move anywhere. This iteration does not have that. Other than that, the Corsair K95 keyboard, Corsair K70 keyboard, I should say. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.